and welcome to another video. Today we're going to be doing the first facelift modification on my E39 528. We are going to be swapping out my taillights. I think those look like really old and they don't make the car look that good. I mean, this rear end is not looking the best right now. But with this modification it will look a lot better. So I have bought some facelift aftermarket taillights for this thing with some LED lights which are going to look kind of like this. So I am very excited about this and I think this will make the car look a lot better in the rear. So let's just simply start with removing the old lights and install these ones instead. First we need to disassemble the ones right here, and to do that we need to simply remove this like that, and that's it. And here we actually have the toolkit on the touring version of these E39. This is what it is, I didn't know that. So pretty simple to do it, just like that, and you just twist that thing and it comes down. And here we have the taillights. To undo that inner taillight you have 3 8mm nuts you have to undo. It's quite simple. Oh, damn it!
Don't buy cheap parts on the video.
Oh, don't buy cheap parts. Damn it! These LEDs does not work. Damn. I mean, these are not from an original facelifted car. These are kind of some made in China kind of lights. I hope that they would work. I bought them used. The guy said they worked, but apparently they do not work. Damn. But nevertheless, I will install the rest and we'll see how it looks. Ah, damn it. To swap out that lights, you simply have to get behind here, and to get behind there, you simply have to push this button right there, and that opens this. This is here where you have the battery, and behind here. Here we have 3 8mm nuts, and then that light is loose as well. That's 3 8mm nuts behind there, and you also have to remember that little bolt right there. That's the last bolt to get that outer taillight removed. What you need to do behind here, you disconnect 2 of the bulbs, and then with the new LED lights you have right here, you connect that as the bulb. So that were the one in the bottom and in the middle, and on the top you don't have anything, so you leave that bulb in there. This is the top bulb right here. So you leave that in there and you remove the other 2, and you connect them to the panel right here. Now they're connected. Just push them in there. One thing I forgot, before you push that in there, connect these 8mm bolts, then you connect the lights. Now those 8mm are tightened and the light is connected. Oh yeah! Nice! That works! That's a brake light. Terrible! Made in Taiwan. This is what you get. Ah, no good. It looks better with the lights off though, that's good. Ah. This is a receipt that it has been swapped out a bearing for the diff. That's nice. And some more stuff. Nice. Woo! Nice! Oh! Sweet! Some more BMW emblems. I like that. That's annoying. Der! Deilig! Det her er jo introduction deluxe, for det her er jo... Okay, we are done with the installation of the facelift taillights, and I think they look really good. Kind of a bummer that some of the LEDs did not work, so I don't think I'm going to return the lights, but hopefully I can get a little bit of refund and I will buy some better ones soon. I don't know. They look really good right now, but once you turn them on, it is missing some LED bulbs right there. So that kind of sucks. As you see right there, it's missing one there, and it's missing 4 there and 1 there. So that is no good. And we also removed the tow hook in the back here, and because I found that cover. Compared to before, I think this looks a lot better. You can see this is how it looked before, and this is how it looks now. So I think this is a lot better with those clear glasses instead of the other ones, which was kind of, I mean, yeah, no good. These could maybe have gotten a polish, but these looks much better. So now I need to have white turn signals here as well. I have already bought some facelift headlights for the car. I'm waiting for that in the mail. So yeah, it's coming along. Looks all right. You almost can't see, or you can't see it now, but you know it. But like in a distance, yeah, you kind of see it. Damn it. Yeah, I need to swap out these, but it's a lot better than it was. And with now that I removed the tow hook, a lot better. But tomorrow I will wash the car and we will see how it looks when the car is kind of clean, because now it's very filthy and dirty. It's the next day, and as you see, the car is a little bit cleaner now, and compared to last night in the dark, it did look decent, but I think now in the good lighting, it looks really, really good. I need to, of course, do something about tint right here. It looks quite bad right here. I'm going to try to fix it, or just pull it off and maybe do it, like, try to do it myself a little bit better than that. But yeah, I think the lights are looking really good. I mean, compared to how the old ones looked, this is looking really good. Do you guys know if there is any way I can fix those 4 bulbs? Is that possible, or is that just a lot of hassle and a lot of work? Tell me in the comment section if that is something you can fix. I don't know. So anyways, thank you guys for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this episode. I do like getting my new daily modified and making it look a lot better. Remember to subscribe and follow me on my Instagram at Films as well. And yeah, let's see each other in the next video. Goodbye.